What's hey, y'all niggas gotta scoot over.
I know that's what I said. Y'all niggas.
I don't know if y'all beat because I got a whole nother song for you.
Oh, you see that shit there?
Whoa. Damn, she had to take off the.
That was pretty fucked up.
Bro, shout out to my niggas, bro. Cody Corey, bro. We out here, nigga. We did Adam. Shout out to my niggas. Splash on the bitch. Ocean Gang, bro. We out here. Nah.
Bitch. It's just what we do. Recognize. Hello, sir. How are you today? Cool.
What's up, Chubbs?
Hey, that really is my nigga.
Mr. Punch?
He said, you said recording, nigga?
Go.
He said,
It's in the board.
damn, this nigga got bark all in his shoes.